In last week's video, we finally fixed my V8 swapped E36. One of the final problems we had was the clutch was slipping and we could never get the power down. So we've sorted the clutch and we now are getting all 4.4 litres of the V8 on the road, full power. But another problem has popped up and our steering has gone. It feels super notchy, it can't turn left. It's horrible, so we're gonna fix that. But also we have a special guest in town. It's taken him 10 years to get to the UK, but I'm very happy we've got Jimmy Oakes here in the UK, staying with us for a bit, and he's gonna help us fix the 36.
What are we doing?
Rack.
Steering rack.
Aye.
Our steering rack is cooked.
Fully.
And this is like really annoying because to undo the two banjos up there is really tight. So we need to get off. Can I have a spanner?
A spanner. We're here. Welcome. Fucker Vlogs.
Jimmy's here.
We're getting right to work.
Yeah, no, you're doing it.
Oh my god. What did you do? What did you put in here? What is going on? There's so many things in this poor car.
I know. She's tight.
It's funny because you would think like, oh, it's just an easy swap, you know, it came in a BM, and then you look at it, you're like, we have to do this. We have to actually change this. Redo all of this, and
it's tight.
You might as well have gotten an engine from something.
LS.
Anything.
Yeah.
LS is fit way better than here.
It did take 4 years.
Yeah.
What, this? It's taken 4 years?
It's taken me 3 years of it sat over there, not doing anything, and then a year of me actually,
That's usually how it goes.
well, 8 months. So we've got Jimmy here. We've got Ray J.
That's me.
Hello.
Back again.
10 years, you know that?
Isn't that nuts?
A decade.
You know what's funny? Everyone's like, you've been to the UK, right? I'm like, yeah, I've been there multiple times. I'm like, actually, no, I never.
No, you just been to Ireland loads, haven't you?
Yeah, a bunch, yeah.
Yeah.
And I always fly over the UK.
Yeah. As of next month, it has actually been a full decade since I met Jimmy, and since we first started hanging out in Florida. I was originally meeting Adam LZ for the first time as well, and we were filming all the webisodes back in the day. Jimmy came down to stay with Adam whilst I was there, and we ended up just being bros. And yeah, riding BMX, and now we've both gone to doing car stuff, so it's been a cool 10 years, and it's nice to finally get him here in the UK. And it's also fun to go back and watch the old videos and see how much things have changed, but also how quick that 10 years has gone and how these videos kind of feel like yesterday, which is weird.
Get me a spanner.
My steering rack is cooked. We've got a new one in here. Basically, you just can't turn left. It just goes real notchy. So this is like the last job. Jimmy. Jimmy.
It's left-hand drive, dude.
Turn around. I hate this job.
Oh, it sucks.
It's a shit job.
It's so shit. You're like, oh, I'm so excited I finished my swap. Damn it.
What do you think of that?
The car?
Yeah.
It's really clean.
It is, isn't it?
Like, BMs they're old now. And they were driven, and so like it's kind of cool to see one this nice. And I've driven a lot of E36s, so I'm really excited to see how it feels in there.
We'll do the rack, and then we'll go out for a drive.
You know when it's just a non-starter? I've got that mood. Just don't want to stop.
First bolt's the worst bolt.
Oh, and then ever. Let's have it.
Annoyingly, we've just had this car aligned a few weeks ago, so we're gonna try and swap the rack out without affecting too much of that. The way we're gonna do it is undo the inner tie rods from the rack and leave the inner and outers completely as they were. So we're just gonna try and swap the rack out, you know, that way.
Yeah, what was the first swap you did? The Z, is it?
Yeah. I base shaved it first, which taught me a lot. And then,
Oh, yeah.
And it made me way less scared of a fucking engine swap because I had to redo everything anyways to make it look.
And they made kits for the LS, didn't
Yeah, exactly. It was actually easier to LS swap than it was to base shave it.
they? I bet.
Normally doing a steering rack on an E36 isn't actually that bad, but with the V8 swap in it, the modified sump that we're using is huge and it completely blocks the rack. So you can't pull it out and it's just really tight and awkward. So we actually have to lift the engine and jack it up so that we have space to pull it out.
You twist it.
Yeah, like that, and then like a throttle.
So pick it up, twist it this way.
There's no way over here.
You know?
We'll find a way. And you just spit on it.
What am I hitting?
You are hitting everything. Hold on, let me get the line up.
Close, close.
Yep. And then pull it out this way. Oh,
Baby,
that
now.
Boys. Just your head, please. Better off Andy than any of us. So.
I'll send you another one. Right. Let's fit the fresh dog.
Yep. Dog. So in place, loose, we'll do lines.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then column before we bolt it in, and then we'll do outers.
Yeah.
Yeah, rack. Yeah. It's me, the fitter.
Yep. Tilt it and then
30%.
tilt it up. Get it through there.
Oh yeah.
Sorry. And then there we go.
The stance on
My ass is hanging out.
yeah. My legs are fully straight now. That's the difference.
Jimmy, that's still talking to you.
On tiptoe. Oh yeah, that was it.
That was it, yeah.
Oh my god. Oh fuck.
Get your knob up here.
Yeah, I need to get them. Oh, hold on.
Oh, there you go. There. Oh, we're in.
Oh my god.
There we
That
go,
really
boys.
quick.
Alright. Fuck, you do that. Yeah, you do that.
Dirty thing.
It's so funny because with the standard engine, it's just like.
Yeah.
I know. Andy,
What?
could you give me a fucking sec? I was trying to get the thread in and you're just like...
Moving target. Right. 22s. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Ugh. Oh, that's enough. That's enough.
I'm not having... No, because if that one leaks, we've got to raise the whole engine against time.
No, we don't. We can get in their little wrap claws in now. It'd be fine. Don't overdog it because if it just spins up.
Put this one on Bach. I like the liability on you.
One more.
I know with banjos, you just always want to go tighter.
Oh, that's enough. That's enough.
That's I can see it in your arm. Like the cheat code is you get a shorter ratchet, so you trick yourself.
you
And
feel
it's like, yeah, it's tight. Yeah. Chill. Man. You see the whole. You have the whole. Fall over there. Do it again. Do it again.
Scared. Going scared.
Oh my God, you did that with so much confidence. Yeah, hold the skin back for me. That looks straight, right?
That ain't bad.
That was not bad. Good technique.
Just cross thread them there, saves them coming loose.
Yeah, exactly.
God's lock tight.
Oh, Jesus.
Is that gone?
Get that the fuck out of here. Oh, very good. Did we get lucky? Fuck. I think it's going.
Yeah, I think so.
It's always a relief, isn't it? Ooh. Come on, straighten me out, Andy.
I can't see because your shovel arms are in the way.
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep spinning it and you're gonna keep fucking it. Come on, you're killing me.
My head suddenly got up. Hurry up. Where's it? Where is it? Oh my god, it's so greasy.
I know.
Things get greasy with me just looking at them.
This is why we only wear black.
So lucky.
Nice work.
Better eat.
That's gone fucking piss again. But I don't want to touch it.
Two hands.
The pressure of us all watching you up.
It doesn't help.
Okay, you're at. Tap that one.
Barely off, dude.
Make sure you ping those threads over. Just needed the tap.
The love tap. Look at my fucking index finger. Just...
Well, now, I mean, that won't rust. It's covered in black and grease.
Oh, look at gash on camera. There's two fingers. That's one.
It's just one, yeah.
How tight? Tight?
One more like core. Oh,
Bloody hell. It's fucking minging.
That is minging.
Also, shout out to these, because they actually feel unbelievable, don't they?
yeah, they do.
This is your first set of BCs?
Yeah.
That's what I say.
Welcome to the club, brother.
They're so good.
Life changing.
Yeah.
Yeah, like, this car drives brand new, and like, you hit a pothole and it just goes like, I like cringe, like waiting for it, and then it just drives through it. And
Yeah,
I'm
because
like,
you're used to coilovers. You just assume, okay, like the
Yeah.
car will cool is gonna handle like shit, but now it's like.
these are the DS ones as well. So they're
Oh, you
like
got the S's. Yeah, very cozy for the road.
Yeah, they're lush.
BC UK.
Yeah, shout
We
out
love
to
you.
BC UK, because these are, honestly, the car feels unbelievable, doesn't it?
Unbelievable. Right. Good in the hood?
Yeah. That's fucking full now already.
It's funny because it sounds like a BMW.
Yeah.
Like I don't even know how to explain it, but it sounds like a BM. Sounds just as clunky as a 24 valve. Like they must have the same lifters and everything. It sounds like
Ticky.
yeah.
It goes away, yeah.
Yeah, it goes away. But they just all sound like this, like mechanically. You ain't tough.
British beef.
You ain't tough.
The rack's done. We fixed the fuel leak. We have power steering fluid. We're gonna take you out.
We had to drive it.
Before we go out for a little test drive and take him out, we have the
A collab tee to commemorate our lovely trip together because it's been 10 years of me not being here and I finally get the vision block, so we decided to do something together. We both have merch companies. It's like,
You spoke so quick then. Look at the front print. We got a little eagle, BQR, Oaks Garage. And on the back, BQR, Oaks Garage. We got the USA, UK, 2024.
for the first time ever, you
So
got
this
some
is
Oaks
sick.
Garage merch here in the UK without having to pay crazy custom and shipping fees stuff.
Yeah.
Come on.
Look at that.
And it's a limited batch, so it's kind of a one and done kind of thing, so
Yeah.
don't miss out.
We just wanted to make like a cool thing.
Just dudes being guys together.
I just want one of these and I'm gonna put it in a frame and put it in my office.
Oh yeah, I definitely need to make sure I
I'm
get
just gonna,
one.
every time I
yeah.
feel sad, I'm just gonna look up at it and go, remember that?
Remember that one time Jimmy came and then
Yeah. Remember that one time
It'll
I
be another
conned
10
him into
years.
doing a steering rack in my BMW as soon as he lands?
Professional steering rack, man.
All right, let's go drive this thing and wear cool t-shirts doing it at the same time.
We're also gonna give one of these away, so if you comment down below.
Comment a really bad tattoo idea for Andy, then we can also con him into getting it.
Yeah, all right, there you go. Worst tattoo idea for Andy. Comment it down there and I'll pick a random winner next video to win one of these. That is the winner of the last video.
And I'll bully him into getting it.
He will, I reckon he actually will. Balker123.com, down there, go and get one of these.
Hop below shop, bulker123.com.
That was based off Andy. The eagle. That's Andy's little beak.
We're the ones with the beaks, look at us.
Yeah, based off you two.
We're ready.
All right.
Just trying to see if it feels weird or anything.
It's probably a good idea. You also have 3 human beings in here.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
Keep that in mind.
3 pro performance. How's the rack?
Can't tell yet.
So nervous.
You're so nervous.
You know, you used to always get like really nervous when you were driving.
Oh, so much.
I get it now.
Oh, yeah.
It's terrifying,
It's
isn't
terrifying.
it? Especially when you have so much like time and like energy invested into it.
Yeah. Like if this breaks, I don't know if I can mentally handle it.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you first like drive a fresh swap or project car, you're just thinking about every noise, every creak, like you're just
Yeah.
hyper analyzing it so bad. It's pretty good.
Yeah, that wasn't flat either. I'm just
That was pretty good, especially if having so much weight in there.
yeah. You fat bastard.
I'm really impressed.
Yeah, it's like
It's good.
it's more than you think it would be, right?
Yeah, because like you say the numbers of it, and it's like this in a drift car would be a blast.
It would, wouldn't it? Yeah.
Shall I go? You want me to go? I'm such a shit passenger. It's way faster than I thought.
Really?
Way faster. I had very low expectations.
Yeah, I think that's probably good. Like,
Yeah. I'm so impressed. Not a bad swap.
it's not at all, is it?
Hey guys,
What did he do?
I love just
It was just-
angry at people.
The rack does feel way better.
Is it?
That's
Yeah.
good. That's good. I'd be pissed if it didn't. Like,
Yeah. It's like it's just good, isn't it?
It's good, yeah. I'm impressed. Very impressed.
And the car's like it just feels solid.
Yeah. It is such a nice place to be in.
I just see that parked right there. I'm like, no, no. I'm not worried about the engine. I'm worried about the brakes.
The tyre run smells are so good. I know. Love it.
The weight of this engine's not far off the M52.
Yeah, because it's a full aluminum block.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's probably the fucking.
It's like basically the same. Yeah.
So like iron block, because you guys got iron block E36s, right?
Yeah, the M50s. So yeah, like the it doesn't affect handling that much.
That's good.
Like, which is really nice. Yeah.
Good work.
That's the old girl.
Nice work.
Thank you.
That's sick.
Well, the rack feels better.
That's good.
100%. Like,
Good
way
to
better.
hear. Good to hear.
I'm glad we didn't do that for nothing.
Unbelievable.
Great stuff.
Good car.
Good car.
Good car.
Right, we got a bit carried away trying to buy Jimmy a Defender, which we did. So this is Jimmy's Defender. If you didn't watch his videos, I conned him into buying one of these because I said this is the most British thing you can buy whilst you're out here, and he wanted something to import back home. So we got him a TD5. It's just turned 25 years old, so he can import it. So this is sat at our place now until he gets it booked back to go to America. In the meantime, we're about to go pick up a trailer and load this up because we're going to Scotland. We have got a private hire day at Driftland. We've got to get moving. I'll see you in the next video, which will be drifting with Jimmy in Scotland. And yeah, don't forget to buy a collab tee. Drop a comment down below, you'll win one. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.